Hello everyone, and welcome to Smart English Stories. Today, we are talking about something very important, 7 life lessons everyone should learn before 30. And trust me, these lessons are not just ideas. They can truly change your life. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Lesson number 1. Your time is your most valuable asset. Think about this. Can you get back lost money? Maybe, but can you get back lost time? Never. So ask yourself, how am I spending my time every day? Smart people protect their time like treasure. Lesson number 2. Failure is not the end, it is feedback. Many people are afraid to fail, but here's the truth. Failure teaches you more than success. When you fail, your brain learns, grows, and becomes stronger. So next time you fail, say this: I am learning, not losing. Lesson number 3. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. This is a big psychological truth. If you try to please everyone, you will lose yourself. Instead, focus on being real. The right people will stay. Lesson number 4. Your habits shape your future. What you do every day becomes who you are. Small habits like reading, exercising, or learning English create big results over time. So ask yourself, what habits am I building today? Lesson number 5. Learn to say no. This is very powerful. When you say yes to everything, you feel stressed and tired. But when you say no to things that don't matter, you say yes to your goals. Lesson number 6. Take care of your mental health. Your mind is just like your body. It needs rest and care. Talk to yourself kindly. Take breaks. Stay positive. A healthy mind helps you make better decisions. And finally, lesson number 7. Start now, not later. Many people wait for the perfect time. But here's the truth. Perfect time never comes. If you want to learn English, start today. If you have a dream, take one small step today. Remember, your future is created by what you do now. So, tell me in the comments, which lesson touched your heart the most? If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your English with powerful life lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Stories. See you in the next video.